Hi guys, it's Lifestyle Cassie. Today I'll be showing how I change my brake lights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
We have Cassie in her natural habitat. Putting on her gloves. Getting ready to go to work.
I wonder if you could hear you, because that...
Oh, probably can. You know you got all the high-tech stuff.
Start by removing these plugs here. Let's see, I have to use, hold on. There's one more hiding back here. Actually have these extra cords here because I have my backup camera connected to here, but normally all these extra wiring wouldn't be here. So I'm gonna twist here, and it actually displays the bulb number here in case you wanted to check the bulb itself to know which bulb you need to replace. And you should hear it click into place. So there's going to be different grooves that you have to make sure you're aligning to be able to put this back. And then you just twist it to lock in place. And then to put these type of pins back, this needs to be pulled back. You're going to close these clamps together. And then you push this down. So I just showed how to replace one of the light bulbs, but normally when you're changing out your light bulbs, you should replace both at the same time. Be sure to check out my Car Essentials Amazon storefront. I'll link the information below for the items I used today and additional car gadgets. Here's a tip on how to find your car parts on the Amazon app. Keep watching for more. So I just showed how to replace the one. Out my. Thank you for watching. Until next time.